So hello everyone, we have now reached Dirang and we are at a homestay known as the Laning Riverview Homestay, and let me just show you the outer view. Here you can see this is my bike all packed up, and this is Rahul, this is Saurav. Packing done. Packing done.
Almost.
Okay. Kundu,
Bolen sir.
packing done.
Packing done already.
All set.
To Tawang.
Okay.
Via Sela.
And this is another
Mr. Laktu bhai amar.
Mr. Laktu bhai.
Ready to go now.
There you can see the river. And this right here is Mr. Bipul.
Hello everyone. Good morning.
Okay. We are actually almost done. We'll have breakfast and then we'll just leave. For breakfast, we're gonna have Maggi noodles, bread and butter, along with some tea. Well, that's a friendly doggo. Looks like Saurav is busy doing some poses. So finally it's time to leave. It's almost 11 and we are already late. So finally we are leaving this beautiful place. It was such a wonderful experience, by the way. Well, when we reached here yesterday, it was already quite late, around I think 10 p.m. and also as a result it was pitch dark. And apparently we had a zero idea that the view is gonna be this good. I mean, just look at it, you will totally agree. The sky, the mountains, the valley, the river looks just so terrific. It's like any kind of explanation would be an understatement. So we're now heading towards the main road that connects from Dirang towards Tawang, which is located on the other side of the river. I'm not really sure how far is that because my GPS is not working. So finally, this is the bad patch of road that we encountered yesterday. Well, there are a lot of pebbles, small stones. So quite dusty. I really hate going off road. So finally, I am on the main road that connects from Dirang towards Tawang. But first, I need to fuel up my bike. This is the Dirang petrol pump, and I think this is the probably only one here. I'll just fill up to the brim and then get moving. Well, unfortunately, we're stuck in this huge traffic jam since half an hour. But there's nothing we can do other than waiting. Finally, we are at some wide open roads and no traffic as well. But I'm just gonna go slow and I'm gonna enjoy the ride, enjoy the scenery, enjoy the air. Looks like I rode a bit too fast. Or maybe they did stop somewhere in the middle. I'll just wait for them for a while. Looks like that's the people. That's the Himalayan and the Classic. That's the people in style, as always. Looks like the weather is getting quite foggy and also much colder. So we still took 20 kilometers away from Sela Pass, and let me just show you the view. And we stopped to wear our liners and jackets. So it's getting extremely cool right here. Kundu was that?
It's very exhilarating and very like out of this world feeling. Rejuvenating.
So we'll just go to Sela Pass and show you the view right here. The sun rays piercing through the clouds are looking so spectacular. Absolutely epic view. The fog is getting denser as we are heading up towards the Sela Pass. As you can see, the fog is extremely dense and I can't see much up ahead. But anyways, we are going very slow. So we are getting closer to the Sela Pass, which is around 10 to 12 kilometers remaining. I'm not really sure how it's gonna be there, how much foggy it's gonna be there. So finally, we have almost reached the Sela Pass, and I think it's pretty clear. There's not a single fog. The sky looks clean and the sunlight is directly hitting the mountains. It looks great. that's the gate. Welcome to Tawang. It's extremely cold in here. My hands are freezing. Even the liners are just not enough. I'll show you the view. So here is the gate. Welcome to Tawang. We still have almost 80 kilometers from here. Still a long way to go. Before that, we are gonna have some food. There is one cafeteria right here. I'll show you the inside. Rahul, what's up?
Bro,
Too cold, right?
too cold and
Yeah. Kundu, what's up?
ভালো আছি দেখ সবাই মিলে একজন একজন করে তো গেটে উঠাবো ফটো ইয়েস গাইস হ্যালো
But luckily we have a heater right here.
कहाँ पर कौन सा बतलियन में
वो बैटलियन में है
So we are back on track again, and there's that Sela lake. I'll just give you a closer look. So here is the lake up close. Quite beautiful. This place is known as Jung.
क्या नाम है इसका
We're super hungry, so we are just gonna grab some food and then get moving. Trust me guys, without auxiliary or fog lamps, it's literally impossible to ride in these dark conditions. So at last we have reached Tawang, and it's almost 10:30. We're gonna go and take some rest, and then tomorrow we'll be going for Bumla Pass and Sangti.